Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Gmail inbox clean and organized, turning on unsubscribe tips is a simple way to get helpful reminders about emails you rarely read. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable unsubscribe tips right from your Gmail app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This is where you'll manage all your email settings and customize your inbox experience. Once you're in the Gmail app, look in the top left corner for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that. A side menu will slide out. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to enter the area where you can control your Gmail preferences. Now you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to the app. If you have more than one, select the email account where you want to enable unsubscribe tips. Inside your account settings, look for a section called Inbox Tip Settings. It might be a little further down the page, so keep scrolling until you find it. Tap on Inbox Tip Settings. Here, you'll see different options to help you manage your inbox more efficiently. Look for the one labeled Unsubscribe Tips. To turn on unsubscribe tips, simply check the box next to unsubscribe tips. Once you do this, Gmail will start showing you suggestions to unsubscribe from emails you rarely open, making it easier to keep your inbox clutter-free. That's it. You've now enabled unsubscribe tips in the Gmail app. From now on, Gmail will help you spot and remove those unwanted newsletters and promotional emails with just a tap. If you ever want to turn off this feature, just follow these same steps and uncheck the box. Keeping your inbox tidy has never been easier. Enjoy your cleaner, more organized Gmail experience.